And one of my sacred cows was you can't both be saved and be ridden by spirits. That just makes no sense to me whatsoever. So, but lo and behold, it turns out I was. Yeah, I mean, for me, it was an odd proposition. I was 35, I had just gotten saved, and yet I had no conscience remorse or pity. I was really not a very nice guy. When I came here, I had diagnosed NPD, bipolar, open question schizophrenia, and a couple other things. And I got so tired of the counseling for integration of personalities and all that other great grand stuff. Hey, what can I say? I was a nut. But, hey, it is what it is.
Or it was what it was.
Yeah, actually, it was what it was. And it really dawned on me, you know, when I was sitting in the pew, like, right over there where the lady with glasses is sitting right now.
Yeah, I remember.
Yes. And I was just having these, like, really violent thoughts towards you.
Yeah.
And it just seemed completely unreasonable. And I was like, maybe there really is a spirit. And lo and behold, there was. And, oh, did that thing hurt when it come out? Oh, no, I'm not joking. I was looking like a cat that had its tail stepped on and run for about 2 years. Every cell in my body hurt when that thing came out. I projectile vomited. I just decorated a trash can thoroughly. I didn't manage to get out to a trash can now. But over the last... Sorry, I didn't mean for it to be standing up. This is actually serious. But yeah, over the last 3 years, you know, somebody gave me a compliment the other day saying, you know, you're a good man. And at first I wasn't really ready to believe it, but then I took stock, and for the first time in my life, I actually said, yeah, I am a good guy. Our lives enabled me to get in better contact with God and my family and people around me. And I've been real lucky to find some people in RLI who, you know, it sounds kind of strange for a guy my age to say role models, but some people who just really walk out amazing Christian lives, like Lynn Hager.
Yes.
Yes.
Amen.
Amen.
Yes, like you.
Amen.
As role models and give you good godly advice, I just love y'all for it.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Look where you come.